Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard operators. Operators are unique characters you can play as, each with their own look and personality. You'll earn experience for them by simply playing matches and completing specific challenges. As your operators level up, you'll unlock cool new cosmetic items like skins and emblems, making your gameplay experience even more personalized and rewarding. There are many operators to discover. Unlocking new operators is a fun part of the game. Many become available after you complete certain in-game challenges, while others are part of the Battle Pass system. Once you have an operator, you can customize their look with different skins and outfits. You can also equip unique finishing moves, adding a personal flair to your takedowns and making your operator truly yours on the battlefield. As you play with your chosen operator, they will gain experience points, or XP, just by participating in matches. You can also earn bonus XP by completing daily and seasonal challenges. This progression unlocks a variety of rewards, including new operator skins, unique voice lines, and emblems. Reaching the maximum operator level often grants exclusive mastery rewards, showcasing your dedication to that character. Operators in Vanguard are divided into two primary factions, the Allies and the Axis. Each character comes with a rich backstory and a distinct personality, adding depth to the game's narrative. These factions often determine your team assignment in various game modes, influencing the overall match dynamic. Taking a moment to explore the operator bios can provide a deeper understanding of their roles and the overarching story.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.